on YouTube? We got the gang out. That's bro. If y'all can hear that, he coming down the road now. We about to do a little cutting up POV with y'all. You know what I mean? The whole gang cutting up. Give y'all a little POV. It's another rack boy for the channel right here, aka the bounty hunter, man. You know how we come in. Rack boy, SRTJ Polo. Yes, sir. The rack boys. It's another rack boy right here. Hey, that's copyright. That's copyright, bro. You fucking up the copyright, man. Can't be playing that shit. Who is that?
I thought it'd been Juice WRLD.
Kinola. Man, you be listening to bullshit. What kind of soda is that? It's good?
Yeah, it's the grown folks guy.
Oh. It give you more energy for like driving and shit?
Yeah. 18 plus or 21 plus? 21 plus.
Show them the hitters. Show them the hitters. Bo got the 5.7 the ring right now, but he coming tracky next week. Gotta get a little thumbnail for my other video I recorded yesterday. Recorded a little sliding video yesterday. This gonna be the thumbnail for this video, right? No, this gonna be the thumbnail for, I don't fucking know, man.
I think I'm behind. I thought think about a movie, bro.
No cap.
Buddy.
ZL1 right here. Y'all ain't seen this on the channel yet, man. This unknown LS right here. Another rack boy. Let the channel hit the ZL1. Hit that shit. They done got us. Where the hell he going at?
You look like a girl.
Whole gang outside. We got a ZL1, a 5.0. It's a cat right here. Hemi twins. Boy, go check them boy out. Hellcat Crisis Swap. BBL Scatty. It's my shit right here, Black Demon. It's the whole rack boy crew. Nigga, that shit is gonna sound crazy on this video. When he just went under that overpass, that shit is gonna sound crazy. When you listen to this shit.
Oh shit, not good.
Yo. Hey, tighten up. This shit sounds crazy. Like, oh my goodness. I'm gonna keep it a buck though. If I trust anybody behind the wheel, you keep it a buck.
Nice.
That's not facts though. Keep it a buck.
Nobody believes in you. You've lost again and again and again. The lights are cut off, but you're still looking at your dream, reviewing it every day and say to yourself, it's not over until I win.
Listen, how you expect to win if you don't try? I can see my dream life every time I close my eyes. See myself on MTV girls with a car from Pimp My Ride. Got a pocket full of racks and a goddess on my side. You know I'm a star student, cause it's first class when I fly. When I'm outside with my fans, people ask me who am I. Keep it smooth, keep it simple, I just tell them I'm that guy. I'm a legend while I'm living, I'll be the same way when I die. Said I'ma make it, niggas hate, now everybody look surprised.